Hi guys, this is Rich, and this is the 13th video in my series on great places for flat water kayaking in West Virginia, and it's my second video on Summersville Lake. In my previous video on Summersville Lake, I paddled from Salmon Run to Pirates Cove. You can view that video by clicking the link in the upper right corner, and I'll also put a link to it in the description below. Today I have no particular destination. I'm just out in this perfect weather to enjoy the fall foliage and the gorgeous clear water. The winter boat ramp opens in October, and that's where I put in today. It's accessible by a small road just off to the side of the roadside park. Also nearby is Battle Run Campground, and the small island with a handful of trees and a picnic table that I definitely want to check out. This is a really fun area to paddle just because it's so scenic, and there's a lot of shoreline with relatively shallow water that you can explore. This part of the lake is typically very popular, but if you catch a warm day in early fall like today, you have the place almost to yourself. The summer pool level at Summersville Lake is about 1,650 feet. In early fall, they start slowly lowering the water until it reaches winter pool level, which is about 1,575 feet. Today the water level is definitely below summer pool level. If you'd like to see a video with some great drone footage of the lake at summer pool level, check out Cody Carr's video on Summersville Lake. I'll put a link to it in the description below. This lake is the largest in West Virginia, and it's also the most popular. It attracts anglers, hikers, mountain bikers, boaters, campers, rock climbers, and all other types of adventurers and explorers. There's a lake beach, marina, campgrounds, and some of the best scenic overlooks in the state. You can also tour the dam. There are a lot of things to do nearby also, including river adventure tours, zip lining, haunted tours, state parks, a winery, and even a lighthouse that you can tour. I'll have videos coming soon on many of the other things to do in this area. Honestly, you would be hard-pressed to do everything there is to do at Summersville Lake in just one weekend. But I definitely encourage you to give it a try, because this is easily one of the best places to have fun in West Virginia. There's literally something here for everyone. Thrill seekers all the way to people who just want to find some peace and quiet in nature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you enjoyed these videos, please like and subscribe. And if you would like a Wild Wonderful Weekends t-shirt, be sure to check out the link to my t-shirt shop in the description below. Take care.